Hello everybody, my name is Navish and today I'll show you how to mount your GoPro on a tripod even though you don't have a tripod mount. So what I did is I duct taped my curved adhesive mount on this little thing that goes into the tripod here, see, and when you put it on, you just put your GoPro. You just put your GoPro on, and it's there. You can do whatever you want with this. It's very safe. It won't come off. You can have like something like this. It's purely protective. You can wrap it around so it won't fall. Even if it falls, it won't crash on land, something like that. So it's very easy. You just duct tape it and it's cheap.